how to save a route on Google Maps. So first of all, open your Google Maps, and in here you can see I am on a random map for now. So first thing that you need to do is pin the location that you want to set your route to. So just like this, here you can see I have pinned a location. Now you'll have to tap on directions. After doing that, here you can now choose the exact destination that you want this route to be. I have selected this museum for now. And just like this, here you can see it has successfully created a route. Now in here, you can either select you want the walking one or the public transportation or the car one. For now, I'm going to go with the walking one, just like this. Now, in order to save it, tap on the share icon right here. After doing that, all you need to do is tap on copy. Now you have successfully copied this link, so you can now save this wherever you want. For now, I'm going to go with my notes application. Go back, open your notes, and in here, all you need to do is paste the link. Just like this. Here you can see I have pasted it. Now, even if I simply turn off my Google Maps just like this, whenever I want to see the route, you can simply open your notes application and simply tap on the link just like this, and it will open the exact route. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.